Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have the materials, now begin. Lay the object flat and mark its perimeter with the ruler. This prevents overhang. Once done, choose one edge as your anchor and place the first sticky note with its adhesive strip aligned to the marked edge. Press firmly for 5 seconds to bond. Make sure to leave the adhesive exposed toward the center so the next note overlaps and sticks. This edge-first approach creates a continuous, bonded starting row. Continue by building rows from your anchored edge, overlapping each note by 1/4 to 1/3 so the adhesive always contacts paper, not surface alone. You should stagger seams like brickwork. This distributes tension and prevents peeling. Once a row is complete, smooth with the ruler from center outward to push air out. For curves, trim the trailing corner so the note lies flat. Make sure to keep each row parallel. Consistent alignment. To finish, trim any overhang flush with a sharp blade and round corners to reduce snagging. Once cut, press every seam firmly. If edges still lift, apply a thin strip of clear tape only on the outermost seam to avoid bulk. If a section peels later, remove those notes, clean the surface, and reapply with a larger overlap. Remember, you want adhesive to paper contact. When things go wrong, more overlap and firm pressure usually fix the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.